Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with the simplest, most telling checks. Raise the media volume using the side keys, then open Settings sound to confirm the media slider is high. Next, disable Bluetooth and unplug any headphones so audio isn't routed elsewhere. Also, make sure Do Not Disturb is off. Some modes silence media. Once done, force close the media app via Settings Apps Force Stop. This resets the app's audio session and prepares the device for deeper fixes. Now you dive into middle-level fixes that isolate the problem. Clear the app cache, and if needed, clear data for the specific media app to reset its settings. Go to Settings App Storage Clear Cache/Data. If the issue persists, reboot into safe mode to see whether a third-party app causes it. If sound returns, uninstall recent apps. Finally, try another player to rule out codec incompatibility. Different apps bundle different decoders, and that often explains. Finish with system-level remedies. Update both the media app and Android system. Patches often fix audio regressions. If updates don't help, reset network and Bluetooth settings to clear corrupted profiles. Only then consider a factory reset after backing up. Test sound on the speaker, a wired headset, and a Bluetooth device using a known good audio file to narrow hardware versus software. If still broken, the key troubleshooting tip: record audio with the phone's recorder. If recording is silent, suspect hardware and seek repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.